3 Geometry. Today we are going to learn about the parallel lines, transversal line and the angles formed due to the transversal. Parallel lines are the lines which never intersect to each other and they have always the same distance in between them. Here the example of parallel lines is blue line and the red line and the blue line. Okay. These are the two parallel lines and this vertical or slanting line is called as here the transversal. Transversal is a line which cuts the or intersect the two or more lines at a distinct point. This is the intersection point, and due to the transversal here 8 angles are formed: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. These two angles are formed in the exterior part. So these angles are called as the exterior angles. 3, 4, 5, 6 are formed in the interior part. That's why these angles are called as the interior angles. And 7 and 8 are formed again at the exterior portion. So these angles are called as the exterior angles. Let's see one by one. Alternate interior angles. Here 4 angles are shown, 2 with a red color, 2 with a blue color. So alternate interior angles present on the opposite side of the transversal line are called as the alternate interior angles. So P and this one Q is the alternate interior angles. Two pairs are formed here. Two pairs of alternate angles are formed and pairs of alternate angles are congruent. Here the angle BPQ and the DQP. These two angles are alternate interior angles, and angle APQ and the EQP, this blue color. These two pairs are alternate interior angles pairs. Next one is the alternate exterior angles, means this angle 1 and the angle 8. The two exterior angles that are present on the opposite sides of the transversal in the exterior portion are called as the exterior alternate angles. So here angle 1 and the angle 8, which is of 130 degree, is the alternate exterior angles pair, and the angle 2 and angle 7 also the pair of the alternate exterior angles. So two pair of interior alternate angles and two pairs of alternate exterior angles are formed. Corresponding angles. When a line or transversal intersect the parallel lines, corresponding angles are formed. Corresponding angles are congruent to each other. So what is mean by the corresponding angle now? The corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal in such a way that here you can observe the angle 1 and angle 5. These two angles are the corresponding angles. Same way this angle 4 and angle 8 are also the corresponding angles. These two angles are on the one side of the transversal. This is the transversal and these two lines are the parallel lines. So angle 1 and 5, angle 4 and 8, these are the two pairs of the corresponding angles on one side of the transversal. Same way we can observe the angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7 also the pair of the corresponding angles. So we can observe the four pairs of corresponding angles here: 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. And these corresponding angles are also congruent to this figure. This is the transversal. This A and E, B and F, C and G, and D and H is the corresponding angles pair. In this figure, you can observe the alternate interior angles C and F, D and E. A and H, alternate exterior angle, B and G, alternate exterior angles. Here with the measures it is shown corresponding angles pairs 68, 68, 68, 68. If you neatly observe here, these two are vertically opposite angles also. So the measures are 68, 68 congruent. Okay, equal measure. This 112 and here also 112. Again vertically opposite angles, and these two are the corresponding angles also 112 and 112 because corresponding angles are congruent to each other. Understood it?